and let's see if the code works. Guys, as you can see, it has worked perfectly. It says, "Code successfully redeemed." Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for 12 months completely free. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. It's super easy to do. Basically, I've got access to all the games thanks to this Game Pass, and this is a completely legit and official method. How to get it? First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Head over to the website linked in the comments section. Once you're there, use the search bar to type in Xbox. Click on it, scroll down, and you'll find the available promo codes. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these codes are limited, so you'll need to unlock your personal code to prevent others from using it. If you're interested, check out the pinned comment below. There, I explain exactly where you can get your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate promo code.